Welcome back to another blind box opening. So we have my second set of Pokemon blind boxes. Basically, it's the same things, except we're going to open two of these ketchup ones today. So let's just go ahead and get started. We're going to start with this ketchup one. Okay, so we have Pikachu kind of fawning over this burger. It looks like it just kind of hangs inside here like that. Let's open the second one. And it looks like a Pikachu that is pulling out some cheesy toast. And the bread's all textured. This one's pretty cute. Let's do a world market next. So these ones always come with a little poster. So this one's the Alola region, and it has the Executor, Litten, Rowlett, Poplio, and then the little sea bunny thing. Ooh, there's a lot of little pieces. So we're gonna make this little box. And it comes with this little pink bun. This little Executor pen that comes out, which is pretty cute. A little map of Alola. A Snorlax poster. Okay, it looks like some stickers, so we have to put this sticker. Okay, now we have our little ruler. So this is everything from our little Alola region. Okay, let's go ahead. Since we just opened up Alola, we might as well open up Alola Terrarium. And I'm just gonna destroy the box this time. Okay, maybe not. Oh, it's the Vulpix one! Oh no, do you see all these tiny little pieces though? Ah, no. Okay, we'll start by just attaching the tree. Ah, these things are actually really sharp and pointy. I do not like how sharp and pointy they are. Also, these pieces are too tiny. Like, this is not child friendly at all. Okay, and Vulpix goes right in the middle. Okay, so that tree is wrong. Must go this way then. Oh, and the Pokeball even has little snowflakes on it. That's so cute. Okay, Vulpix is going on the shelf too. Okay, we'll do Charmander next. Okay, it looks like we have a Misdreavus. which I think goes in this hole right here. Oh, okay, so it goes on top in the middle. Oh, just like that. And then it's an unknown A, which is super cute. You don't see many unknown toys. But where does his A go? It just looks like it's stuck on the wall somewhere. Oh, it's supposed to be stuck right here. Oh, that's cute. I like it because it has the unknown. Okay, we'll do Squirtle since we did Charmander next. So it looks like a wind cloud ordeal. And I think this fire's supposed to come out of his mouth. Okay, there we go. Well, that's annoying. The fact that it has to be a certain way and the volcano doesn't even go fully straight up. Okay, this one next. And this is the one where I really want the Mareep and the Sleeping Pikachu. I don't think we have our Sleeping Pikachu yet, but it's a Slowpoke and a Shelter and lots of tiny pieces, so let's see. So, looks like we need to put this little seaweed here. So we put our rock in the middle? Okay, put that in as tight as we can. Hopefully this closes. And it does. And we put our Slowpoke here. And our Shelter right here. Let's put it in. Oh, like that. Okay. So it's not supposed to be biting the tail directly. It's just supposed to be like close to it. That was also very annoying to assemble. So lots of annoying ones to assemble today. We're going on to this one, which is another Alola one. And last time we got Litten in this kit, so let's hope for another starter like Poplio. And I think we had Rowlett too, actually, so Poplio is the only one that we need. Okay, so we have the Sleeping Pikachu and Rowlett one, so another Rowlett, but who can say no to Rowlett? I'm happy with Rowlett as well. This backpack goes together like that. Looks like Rowlett is supposed to sleep in here. Oh my god, it fits perfectly. And then Pikachu with Ash's hat. And you get the hat. And we're just going to close it. Okay, we have our next one, which is another terrarium. Okay, we got Mewtwo. So I'm just going to start assembling by putting Mewtwo right there. And it looks like he just stands right here. Pretty cool. And then we're gonna go with this one. Last time we got the Pikachu riding the Pidgeotto, and I loved it. It's on my shelf right now. Let's see if we can get another cute one. So far, I only found the Vulpix that I want to add to my shelf. And we got the Wooper and Chikorita. So Wooper just goes right in here. And the Chikorita goes right here. We both just go in the Pokeball like this. See, look how easy that was to assemble. I wish all of them were like this. Instead, we have to have the really complicated ones. And the last one of the day. I think we have the one on the cover. And we do, we have the Pikachu and the Blossom. So lots of Pikachus today. But this one looks like it's really easy to assemble too. And look, they're holding hands. How cute. So I think my favorite ones that I got today is probably this Vulpix one, the Alolan Vulpix. If it could just stand still. I do like that one a lot. And I like my Pikachu pulling off the toast. I think these two are really cute. And I really do appreciate that they have an unknown in this one because it's pretty rare to find an unknown in like toy form. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and watch out for the third installment. I think we have 4 more to go, so see you next time.